Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are in Phoenix in a timeshare. I'm with my mom, my tia, and my niece. So I want to show you guys what the place looks like. Early, we put our car in there. This whole area right here is ours. The entrance is on the side. Or you can enter through the garage. But you go down this long walkway. And then you come in. Here's the living room. Here's my niece Isabel. And then the kitchen has its own bar. Dining room over here, and the kitchen is fully stocked.
You can bake an entire cake in that kitchen with only needing materials.
There's a dishwasher, the whole thing. It actually even has stuff to bake a cake. Coffee maker, all kinds of stuff. We have the fridge stocked. There is a blender in here, which I couldn't even believe. This place is really awesome. There's some storage right here. This is one bathroom in there. It's being used right now. And then on this side is the garage. There's a car, and in through this way is where I slept. This is one of the rooms. I have my clothes right here, and then there's another room on the other side. This is the other room. There's a walk-in closet. It's already full of stuff. And a king bed. This is me, my outfit. And more storage on this side. This is a bathroom. It's being used. I'll show you that later. And there's also a little outside patio terrace area, which we'll probably cook something and eat out there. And that view is awesome. This is just to show you a quick video of what the living room looks like when it's put all together. So we put the sofa bed away that was right here, and then didn't put the pillows back or anything, but so you could see.
Fabulous tour of the fabulous thing because they're freaking grandma overpacked. Okay, so we got right here, we got 4 avocados and 3 over there, making 7 avocados. Got 2 heads of lettuce.
Wow.
A singular cut onion. 4 tomatoes.
There's more tomatoes down there. There's like 2 bags. 2 bags of tomatoes.
7 tomatoes. Why does... Is there like a fruit for a day, like every day here? We got this, reasonable if you're going on vacation. We got...
What is that? Like meat or something.
This is pork. This is... I don't even know what that is.
Chicken is maybe?
Totally edible. And this is like full-on ribs.
Hashtag mom overpacks.
We got an entire watermelon, also acceptable for vacation.
We're gonna eat that by the pool later.
Hell yes. We got cheese slices, premium, because only the best for overpacking, right? The most important thing of all. I'm kidding.
For the adults.
I'm kidding.
YouTube is gonna be like, remove. Cheese. Cream cheese. Okay, cream cheese.
Beautiful. Come on.
Huge Costco pack of ham.
This will last my family of 6 freaking
A month.
like a month. Yeah.
We're
here for 7 days. You have 7 days, right? These
Lemon.
bites that were salted.
I guess those are really good as well. Like,
Yeah. I see this
More
freaking cheese like everywhere I go.
Gouda.
And it's Gouda. Let me.
on this side we have Monster, which is mine.
Yeah, we have water, Monster, Jackie stole one, diet, more water,
Yeah.
an entire thing of freaking mayonnaise, and olives.
Okay.
I'm not even done, man. We got more cream cheese. Leftovers. Entire pack of cherries. And my favorite thing, a dozen eggs.
No, 2 dozen.
2 dozen eggs, I can count. And a singular cookie.
Oh yeah, that one's mine. John gave that to me before I left.
Oh, what a good person.
That's
A bagel.
that one's mine. I just brought a bagel and a little bit of salmon, that's all.
Grilled chicken sandwich. Grilled chicken sandwich. 4 grilled chicken sandwiches. And
Oh, the
an
light.
entire thing of freaking...
Dinner rolls?
Yeah, I guess.
Holy
Dinner rolls.
moly.
36.
I didn't realize we had dinner rolls and a loaf of bread.
And the loaf of bread. I bet there's more. Hang on. Let's go into the freezer. Let's see. Of course.
That little meal right there is mine. That's a quinoa beef and broccoli, which is bomb. That is, I don't know. Corn.
Guess you could say my jokes are a little corny. And it's nice to meet you.
Okay.
I just can't seem to stop.
Alright, that is our food tour.
I love how they left this on just to like look like there wasn't food in the freezer.
What does it say? What is it?
Shoot. This freezer has been cleaned and the ice maker turned on for your convenience.
Oh.
It's pretty convenient when your family packs for 2 months instead of a week.
Wait. Mira que estoy buscando hasta en las tuyas y no la encuentro.
No es foto, es...
Ah, espérate, déjame sacarme.
No, es un video.
Ah, es un video.
Sí.
Hola. Hola, hola, nueva hola.
Siempre dice hola.
Hay que decir hola, hay que saludar.
Hay que...
Alright, so we are all ready to go in the car.
¿Verdad?
We are going to the mall right now. Going to go do some shopping. Okay, perfect timing alarm.
Oh, that's attractive. Huh. Vape Lord.
I'm gonna try to get it out of my nose. Hold on.
It did.
Oh, did?
Yeah. It's just cool.
La vaina negra para que...
Es chocolate.
Let's see if I
You know what I do? I keep my mouth closed for a second, bite, and then release.
I'm trying to get one of the bottom ones, you know?
Close your mouth and then, there you go. Yeah, that's it. That's cool.
Hasta por la nariz.
Sí.
It hurt.
Ahora lo mastico.
Si mastica y con la boca cerrada y después respira para afuera. Oh, wow, sí salió.
Mastícalo.
Shit.
Después abre la boca.
Nada.
Dale. Mastica. Dale.
Cuidado te puyas.
Cierra.
We are eating Panda Express. I got brown rice and orange chicken.
Ya.
And we're gonna have some of these.
Oh my god, surround yourself with creative minds. Holy shit. No one's creative here.
Okay.